Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11, and after that I will show some demo how the code working in Visual Studio Code. So let's start. Open the Chrome browser, write VS Code download. Click on the first official website, then choose window. You can choose the path. Thanks for downloading VS Code for Windows. Here now I am installing. Select accept the agreement. You can check this all. Okay, so it's installed. So here our VS Code is installed. Now I am going to create a Python file. I am creating a Python code, a simple print statement. Let's save first Python. Save. Now I'm going to run this file. Yeah, it is working. So I already installed Python in my previous video and extensions for Python. Here it is. Pylons and Python. Just search here Python, click on it, and here if already installed, then no need to install. Okay, thank you.